The defense is making its final case to the jury as part of their closing arguments in the Sean Diddy'Ccombs sex trafficking and racketeering trial. Yesterday, U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic recounted what she called Combs' decades of manipulation, abuse, and violence. Jury deliberations are likely to begin on Monday. Katrina Kaufman reports from New York.
How do you feel?
Let's go. Let's go.
Attorneys for Sean Diddy'Ccombs opened their closing arguments by calling the case against him a trial of lifestyle. Defense attorney Mark Agnifilo acknowledged Combs battered his ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura, but argued the prosecution's star witness wasn't defenseless. He added that the couple were, quote, a great modern love story. Agnifilo also mocked law enforcement for seizing a trove of baby oil and lubricant in raids of the hip-hop mogul's homes last year. For nearly 5 hours Thursday, Assistant U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic methodically walked the jury through the 5 counts against Combs. The most complicated and serious one, racketeering conspiracy, which includes sex trafficking, drug distribution, and arson. On Friday, the defense told the jury their client did not do any of the things he's charged with, urging them to acquit him.
What they've said all along is that these were consensual relationships, that all of this was the choice of the women who participated, that they were in loving relationships with Sean Combs.
Prosecutors allege Combs used threats, drugs, and violence to make former girlfriends, including Ventura and Jane, a woman who testified under a pseudonym, participate in so-called freak-offs with male escorts, and used a small army of his personal staff to facilitate his desires. They ended their closing arguments by saying, quote, "It is time to hold him accountable. It is time for justice." Katrina Kaufman, CBS News, New York.